Hello everyone, we Renewable Mirror Magazine is here at the Renewable Energy India Expo 2025, and today we are here and covering all your special companies and favorite companies so that you don't miss anything here in Expo. So let's start with a thoughtful conversation, and today we have Mr. Anuj Kapuria, MD and CEO from Novus Hi-Tech. Hello sir, how are you?
Hi, very well, thank you.
So my first question to you would be, sir, Novus Hi-Tech has been known for pioneering intelligent robotic and automation in India. Could you tell us about this legacy and what led to this new strategic focus?
So we started about 2 decades ago when I finished my PhD from Carnegie Mellon and came back and set this vertical up for robotics and automation. We are today one of the largest robotics and automation and AI providers of the country. We work in automotive, electronics, FMCG, pharma, all of these areas. We have deployments with over 1,000 systems, hundreds of customers, facilities that span across India. We have also implementations across the globe in the US, Southeast Asia and other parts. Solar was a focus for us because we felt that here is a technology that is totally being imported from China currently. And since we have such great engineering minds here and we are able to develop technologies for the globe, we should enter into this market and sort of break this monopoly of players from outside coming in and selling equipment and enabling the bright future of renewable energy in India through capital equipment, which all of the makers and the manufacturers in the country would need, right?
So what does your tagline from blueprint to gigawatt really stand for?
So the way we look at ourselves is that we start from scratch, like an idea, right? And that's the blueprint. And then we take it all the way up to implementation. We design everything, we implement, we run, and we support the KPIs to be achieved for the manufacturer so they can actually produce cells, modules up to global standards.
How does Novus experience in robotics and AI enhance your solar turnkey offerings?
I think, as people who know this would know, that robotics, automation, and AI is the glue that connects everything together. You can buy equipment standalone, you can get process equipment, you can get process tools, you can get all of these equipments, but when you connect them together, you need the robotic and automation systems to connect them up. And to get efficient output, today is the day of AI, right? So you need software and AI as a layer on top to continually improve the efficiencies that you can get out of that. And hence, we as a robotics and AI company feel that we are very well placed, where we can play this role of a not just an integrator, but almost like an optimizer for any manufacturer who wants to set up a new facility. And we span across whether it's module lines, cell lines, and wafer ingot lines. What they get with us is also the best of all worlds, because we have tie-ups with global companies, so Chinese to others, and robotics and AI and software is ours. So we can support their equipment and run KPIs 24/7 out of India.
Sir, you have also partnered internationally, especially with Chinese PV technologies leaders. So how do these collaborations complement your capabilities, and what does this move mean for India's manufacturing sector?
Kind of answered that question in the previous one, but like I was saying, some of the process equipment can be gotten from anywhere in the world. So we've tied up with many such global leaders, and essentially we are able to now put it all together and run it as an optimized equipment to get the output, which is either the cell or the wafer or the module, which is global standard, right? And that is how these tie-ups are helping us, because we can work across the board with many such supplier partners.
So my last question to you would be finally, how do you see Novus Hi-Tech evolving in the next phase?
I think we are just scratching the surface of renewable energy. We have large plans. We are doing a lot of module lines currently in the country. We are under negotiation for cell lines. We're also looking at wafer ingot lines. So I think it's just the starting point, and we have the sky's the limit for us in terms of the kind of deployments that we see in India and also globally.